Now, weather alert from meteorologist Michelle Muscatello. She's been tracking the storm all week long. That's, I guess we'll call it on the doorstep. We'll be here later tonight, right?
Yeah, we're going to see the rain turning steadier and heavier late tonight. But right now, we've got dry skies and a great afternoon to get outside. It's brighter the further inland that you go. North Scituate with some blue skies and mild temperatures this morning and now this afternoon. Almost feels like springtime. Middle and upper 50s out there with a couple of showers just along the coastline and clipping the islands. And as the afternoon and evening goes on, some of those will stretch further inland. So we will start to see a few light showers this evening, but we don't expect any severe weather. Things change on Saturday. That's our weather alert day. Saturday morning, heavy rain. Saturday afternoon and evening, we start to see that wintry mix. So as far as the winds go, we're looking at isolated wind damage and power outages possible. Rain will be heavy, 1 to 2 inches. Some spots could see close to 3 inches of rainfall, and that'll lead to more street flooding like we had earlier this week. And then that snow threat, we'll see a mix or change in late afternoon and evening, first northern Rhode Island and then further south as the evening wears on. Highest confidence here in a plowable snow, this area under a winter storm watch. I wouldn't be surprised if we had a winter weather advisory issued for interior Rhode Island, where I'm expecting to see 2 to possibly 4 inches of snowfall. Further inland could see 4 to 8 inches of snow in parts of the Worcester Hills, with parts of ski country getting close to a foot of snow. Further south in Rhode Island, we go back to that for just a second, from Providence to the east and west bays, away from the immediate coastline, I'm expecting a coating to perhaps a slushy inch or 2 of snow. Most of that in the evening hours after the sun goes down. We also have that high wind watch that's been issued for eastern Plymouth County to the Cape and Islands. The gusts there 50 to 60 miles per hour. In Rhode Island, Fall River, New Bedford, I'm expecting 40 to 50 mile-an-hour wind gusts in the afternoon and evening, so a wind advisory potentially being issued there. Southwest winds today at about 10 to 15 miles per hour with some higher gusts. It stays breezy, but with the increasing clouds and a couple of showers late in the day, upper 50s for the highs. And tonight, that rain, as I mentioned, turning steadier and heavier by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, with low temperatures falling to around 40. So here's our storm system right now, going to be rapidly strengthening as it moves off the mid-Atlantic coastline and then passing very close to, or maybe a little southeast of, Nantucket. The exact track, a little wobble, is going to make a big difference in terms of whether we are able to get enough cold air and to flip over to snowfall. This is 3 in the afternoon, and you can see that potential for a wintry mix. By midnight, that storm is winding down. I want to get in close and show you the hour-by-hour forecast. So this evening, temperatures are still in the upper 40s to near 50 at 5 o'clock. Anything that will be falling this evening and tonight, just plain old rain. The temperatures are in the 40s throughout the night. This is 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And then when you wake up Saturday morning, heavy rain's falling. Temperatures are at their warmest that we'll see all day, in the middle 40s. As we get into the afternoon hours, the temperatures will start to drop, and that's when we'll start to see that mix with and change over to some snow. We're still above freezing, so it's going to have to be snowing heavy for it to stick, but we do expect that to happen, especially north and west of 295. 6 o'clock in the evening, rain and snow showers ongoing, but they'll taper off as the late evening and night goes on. So a stormy day on Saturday. Definitely check back in for updates as we continue to work on the forecast here as new data comes in throughout the day. The second half of the weekend, cold and dry with temperatures falling to the lower 40s. I have us dry right through the middle of next week, but a heads up for Tuesday. There is an offshore storm system. Right now looks too far away to bother us, but we'll keep an eye on it.